Never put off until never put off until never put off until tomorrow what can be done today.
Bigger the job, the better the job.
Down a little.
I think we're nailing it pretty far.
All the way up.
You don't get my joke?
No.
We're nailing it. We nailed it. Nailed it. The hefty boy.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
There we go.
We're in. We're in.
1, 2, 3. And then
Corey watches these, right?
Yeah.
I love this company.
Hey Alfred, what's the quote of the day?
The quote of the day?
Yeah.
It's Friday, baby. Let's get out of here.
I love it.